Number 1 product name, Mercer Culinary Genesis 7-inch, forged Santoku knife. Product description. Mercer Culinary Genesis 7-inch, forged Santoku knife. Ergonomic Santoprene handle offers superior comfort and a non-slip grip, even with wet hands. Will not break down from exposure to kitchen oils and is able to withstand hot and cold temperatures. Bolster strengthens the knife, adds durability, and provides excellent balance for better handling when cutting food. Available in short bolster. High carbon, no stain German cutlery steel resists rust, corrosion, and discoloration. Precision forged construction for better strength and durability. Tapered round edge allows for added stability, easy honing, long-lasting sharpness, and increased efficiency when cutting and chopping. Tang provides excellent balance. NSF limited lifetime warranty. Number 2 product name, DALSTRONG Santoku Knife Shogun Series AUS 10V Japanese steel 67 layers vacuum treated 180 mm. Scalpel-like sharpness at a staggering 12-degree angle per side. Sail through culinary challenges. Incredible edge retention at 62 plus Rockwell. Cut longer, go further. Dull-strung rock hollow divots minimize stuck on food and reduce friction. VG-10 Japanese Super Steel Core. The ultimate steel for the ultimate performance. 67 layered Damascus sharpened under the ancient 3-step Anbajuk method and married to bleeding-edge technology. Tapered bolster provides a perfect zero-balance finger protection and gently encourages a natural and comfortable pinch grip. Rust/corrosion resistant cladding means your knife will stay cleaner and last longer. Hand-polished spine enhances comfort across very grips. Featuring Dahlstrong's exquisite Shogun Series Tsunami Rose Blade pattern for striking, standout beauty. Full tang maximum robustness. This knife is built to last a lifetime. Triple riveted even further resilience. Beautifully engraved. Performance and looks. Tapered blade for minimal slicing resistance and non-stick properties. Cleans easily. Precise cryogenic tempering increases the steel's crystalline structure, enhancing strength, flexibility, and hardness. Number 3 product name, Acock 8-inch chef kitchen knife with stainless steel razor sharp blade and ergonomic handle. Product description. Acock knives are characterized by high-quality forged blades, which are made of German stainless steel. Each blade is forged from a single piece of steel, which ensures outstanding strength and prevents from absorption and discoloration. Ideal for all of your basic kitchen cutting needs. It contains 0.45 to 0.55% carbon, 14 to 15% chromium, 0.5 to 0.8% molybdenum, and 0.1 to 0.2% vanadium. The purpose of alloying molybdenum is to increase the pitting resistance of the material. How to care your knives. 1. Before first use, please clean the knives. PLEASEAVOID direct contact with blade edge. 2. When using, please attention the blades of the knives are very sharp. DONOT test with fingertips and avoid direct contact against harm. 3. Careful when using and storing. After each use, please clean and store in a safe place. Store away from children's reach. 4. To maintain lifespan of your knives, Keep the RY and CLEAN after every use. Use non-abrasive cleansers. Use soft towels for wiping down. Number 4 product name, Alizola Professional Chef's Knife, 7.5-inch German high-carbon stainless steel kitchen knives. Product description. The long metal knife is designed for chefs, culinary experts, butchers, food caterers as well as common users. It is a utility chef knife or Japanese kitchen blade for cutting, chopping, dicing and slicing vegetables, fruits, fish, meat, bread, sushi and other food. It is top-rated slicer for removing flesh from bones as well as pounding or pressing garlic. The iRazor knife is crafted using Germany engineering and features a toughened stainless steel blade that measures 7.5 inches. This 2.35 mm thick blade consists of approximately 0.6%, 0.75% high carbon for enhancing strength and durability. The length of the handle is 4.5 inches, giving the knife an overall length of 12.5 inches. 18% chrome material makes stainlessness possible. Number 5 product name, Cut Chef Knife, razor sharp and rust-free professional chopping knife for budding kitchen cooks and pro chefs, German stainless steel 8-inch blade. CUTLIKEMASTERCHEF. Ultra-sharp blades allow this kitchen knife to offer uniform slicing, whether you're recutting breads, vegetables, fish fillets or meat. FDAAPPROVEGERMANSTAINLESSSTEEL that resists rust, retains sharpness for longer and lasts for years. Stop sharpening those knives every few months. MADEFORYOURHAND. Chefs agree that the best knife always feels right. Offering great balance, light body and a pack of wood handle, these kitchen knives feel just right. KITCHENVERSATILITY. From cooking Asian, French, Italian, Japanese, Thai, Indian, Chinese, or Korean cuisines to making simple dishes, this sharp knife set suits everything. FREEDODORREMOVINGSOAP to remove fish, onion or garlic smells within 1 minute with every purchase of a Cut Chef knife. Buy with confidence.